Imagine a world where grocery stores suddenly became unreliable, supply chains break, food prices double, and you have to depend on what you can grow yourself. If you could save only 4 crops to secure your family's future, which would you choose? For generations, farmers across the world relied on four remarkable plants: tomatoes, corn, beans, and pumpkins. Together, these crops can provide calories, nutrition, seed, security, and abundance year after year. An heirloom seed is a plant variety passed down through generations, saved for its exceptional flavor and hardiness, and must be open-pollinated. Let's discover why these 4 heirloom crops deserve a place in every homestead garden. Most people grow tomatoes because they taste better than store-bought varieties, but heirloom tomatoes offer much more than flavor. A single healthy tomato plant can produce dozens of fruits. Each fruit contains hundreds of seeds. Those seeds can be saved and replanted season after season. In practical terms, one successful tomato harvest can become next year's entire tomato crop. Tomatoes are also incredibly versatile. Fresh salads, sauces, salsas, soups, sun-dried tomatoes, even preserved tomato paste. Nutritionally, tomatoes provide vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant responsible for their red color. Many homesteaders treasure heirloom varieties because they offer flavors and colors that supermarkets rarely sell. Purple tomatoes, striped tomatoes, yellow tomatoes, giant beefsteaks, and even tiny sweet cherries. Saving seeds from your best-performing plants allows your tomatoes to gradually adapt to your local conditions. Over time, your garden becomes stronger and more productive. Corn has fed civilizations for thousands of years. Unlike many vegetables, corn provides significant calories. That's one reason it became a staple crop throughout much of the world. Heirloom corn varieties can be used in different ways. Corn has fed civilizations for thousands of years. Sweet corn for fresh eating, flour corn for grinding, popcorn for snacks, and dent corn for livestock feed. One of the most fascinating things about heirloom corn is how much seed it produces. A single ear can contain hundreds of kernels. Each kernel is a potential future plant. That's an incredible return from one growing season. For self-reliant homesteaders, corn offers something many vegetables cannot: stored energy. When properly dried, kernels can remain usable for long periods. They can be ground into meal, flour, or stored as seed. Few crops offer such versatility. If corn provides energy, beans provide protein. That's why traditional farming systems often paired the two together. Beans are among the easiest crops to save seeds from. Simply allow pods to mature and dry on the plant. Inside, you'll find next year's crop waiting for you. Pole beans can produce continuously throughout the season. Bush beans provide large harvests over shorter periods. Either way, they're productive, nutritious, and practical. Beans contain protein, fiber, minerals, and complex carbohydrates. They can be eaten fresh, dried, canned, or stored for months. For many homesteaders, beans are one of the most important food security crops because they combine nutrition with easy storage. A few handfuls of saved seed can grow into hundreds of pounds of food. Pumpkins may be the most underrated crop on this list. They produce large amounts of food from a single plant. The flesh can be roasted, baked, pureed, or preserved. The seeds can be eaten, roasted, or even saved. Some varieties store naturally for months without refrigeration. That's a huge advantage for self-reliant households. Pumpkins also help cover soil, suppress weeds, and conserve moisture. In traditional agriculture, pumpkins often worked alongside corn and beans in a system sometimes called the Three Sisters. Together, these plants supported one another naturally. Nutritionally, pumpkins provide vitamin A, fiber, and valuable minerals. And because they store so well, they help bridge the gap between growing seasons. tomatoes, corn, beans, and pumpkins. These are powerful must-have heirloom plants. 4 powerful tools for self-reliance. Each offers something unique. Tomatoes bring flavor and abundance. Corn provides calories and energy. Beans deliver protein and nutrition. Pumpkins offer storage and versatility. Together, they represent more than food. They represent independence and resilience. They have the ability to pass something valuable to future generations. The next time you save seeds from your garden, remember, you're not just saving plants, you're saving possibilities. Which one would you save first if you could only choose one? Tomato, corn, beans, or pumpkin? Tell us in the comments and explain your choice. Your answer might help another homesteader decide what to plant next.